Yo guys, what is up? It's your boy Puri again, back at it. So namhlanje bafethu sikwi-aviation ne. Ngiyayibona nebraza ihostile le event ukuthi it's all about the pilots and thingy. So bafethu kuyakhuphuka la eDubane. Akusichazele kabanzi ukuthi how do you feel about your events? Because ngendlela engiyiperceive ngayo, it's going so far as yet. Kahle kahle ibe success.
Fethu oqala nje ngiqale ngibonge ithuba ongipha lona fethu mina nguNhlanhla uNgobese umfoka Vertigo umntana kaMehlo kaZulu ngithi ngiyabonga kakhulu fethu namhlanje kumuntu oqhamukile yo I don't know fethu it means a lot abantu beqhamuka kanje I mean they could have been in town they could have been wherever but they chose to come here and support the aviation part and all I can say is ngiyabonga izandla fethu sedlula ikhanda anginawo amaningi but ngiyabonga and ngiyafisa ukuthi abantu bejwayele ukuthi siyahamba siyakhuphuka kuphela just like the word aviation part it means from the ground to the sky so fethu siyaphezulu.
All right, bafethu. And I have just a short message kule gang yaseGoli ethi awekho ama content creators agrand eDubane awekho ama podcasters are buka la look at this sishaya event olwandle where are you going to get this in Jozi hey baba hamba ulalo yazela shout out to 32_South bros thank you very much That's all.